Welcome to channel.
Factory Reset Netgear Orbi Mesh WiFi Complete Guide. Step 1. Unplug the extras. First, disconnect everything connected to your Orbi, such as switches, printers, or other devices. Only keep the modem and the Orbi router plugged in.
Step 2. Find the reset button, flip the router around. There's a tiny hole at the back that says reset. You're going to need something small, like a paper clip. Don't try your finger, it won't fit. Step 3. Power it on, make sure the Orbi is powered on. You can't reset it if it's off. Check that white LED is glowing on the top. Step 4. Hold reset button, take your paper clip, push it inside that reset pinhole, and hold it. Don't let go too soon. Keep pressing for about 10 seconds until the power light starts blinking amber. Step 5. Watch the light. The amber blink means it's wiping itself back to factory. If you see that, you're good. If not, you didn't hold long enough, try again. Step 6. Let it reboot, now just sit and wait. It takes about a minute or two for the router to reset and restart. You'll see the light go through a couple of colors while it boots back up. Step 7. Reconnect your cables. Once it's back on, reconnect your Ethernet from the modem into the Orbi. If you unplugged anything else earlier, now's the time to plug it back. Step 8. Reconnect your devices. At this point, your Wi-Fi name and password are wiped. You'll need to connect to the default Orbi network. The info's on the label at the bottom of your router. Step 9. Open Orbi app or browser. Download the Orbi app if you don't already have it. Or just go to orbilogin.com on your browser. You'll have to run through setup like it's brand new. Step 10. Finish setup, follow the prompts and set your new Wi-Fi name, password, admin login, all the other customization settings. Once done, you're basically starting fresh. Router's like new out of the box. Thanks for watching.